Not going by our customary land-based places, we decided to dive deep into the Atlantic Ocean.
Why Atlantic though?
Because Atlantic, unlike other oceans, has a name which holds an interesting mythological character and his story. It is derived from Atlas, a second generation titan, again from the Greek mythology.
But who is Atlas? Apart from the books of maps, which is referred to as an atlas, what or who is Atlas?
Atlas is one of the second generation titans. He is the son of Iapetus and Oceanid, and brother of Prometheus, considered to be the creator of humankind. Uranus and Gaia are the grandparents of Atlas and considered to be the origin of everything.
So, Atlas is from a commendable lineage.
Yes, he is. As per Greek mythology, Titans are immortal and mythological beings. When the Olympians, led by Zeus, fought the Titans, Atlas fought against the Olympian gods.
There was a war? Who won it?
The war was eventually won by the Olympians. Post that, Atlas, arguably the strongest Titan, was condemned to hold heaven apart from earth for eternity. This punishment was given so that no further Titans could threaten the dominion of the Olympian gods. This is also the reason behind Atlas being depicted as holding the earth on his shoulder.
But why was this particular ocean named this and not any other ocean?
This is because it is believed that Atlas is carrying out his labor in a place just beyond the Pillars of Hercules. It is located in the Strait of Gibraltar, which is a pretty touristy spot that connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean and boundaries the continents of Europe and Africa.
Isn't it amazing to realize that even the seemingly endless ocean also has a mythology behind its name? Guess mythologies are omnipresent.
Namodhayam
Namodhayam Eva
Eva
Satyam.
Satyam.